Welcome back to another video. I'm Tiana. I'm a project manager by day and an avid card maker by night. Keep watching to see how to make this It's Your Birthday card with unique, sparkly, firework themed accents. Shown here are the supplies that you need to make this card. All of the specific items that I use will be linked in the description box below. Start by drawing out the design in pencil. I've included a link to a free template in the description box below. Next, take your thin black pen. Here I'm using a Faber-Castell pen in size F to outline the lettering. Once you have the lettering outlined, go back in using the same pen and color it in. You could easily customize this design by simply changing the color of the lettering. The next step of this card is to make the sparkly firework themed accents. So take one of your small pieces of sparkly paper and cut lots of thin strips with your scissors. I started with my blue sparkly paper and then I simply just repeated the steps, again cutting lots of thin little strips of the paper for the silver and then the purple magenta colors. As I cut the strips, I laid them out kind of in the shape that I wanted to make sure that I had enough. And continue cutting out these strips and laying out the design until you've done that for all three colors. The final step is to glue on all of these little strips onto the card. Here I'm using a fast drying glue, but really you can use whatever glue you wish. Continue gluing on all of the little strips of sparkly paper until you've done that for all three colors. To finish off the card, I just took my scissors and trimmed the ends of the sparkly pieces of paper that were hanging over the edges of the card. But this is optional depending on the look that you're going for. And once the glue is dry and you've done any final touch-ups and trimmed the paper to your desired length, this card is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and try making this card yourself. Happy crafting!